Hello, welcome back. Today we are making a delicious, crispy, cheesy kunafa in a pan. No oven needed. This Middle Eastern dessert is a perfect combination of crunchy kataifi dough, creamy filling, and sugar syrup. Let's get started. First, in a saucepan, take half liter of milk and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well until smooth, then turn on the flame. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir it continuously. Once the sugar dissolves, add quarter cup of fresh cream and keep stirring. When the mixture thickens, add some mozzarella cheese. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Keep stirring continuously until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Look at this. Now the creamy filling is ready. Take a kunafa dough and chop it into small pieces. Add melted butter and mix well. Ensure that every strand is nicely coated. Grease a pan with butter. Spread half of the kataifi dough evenly. Press it gently using your hands or a flat bottom glass. Next, pour the creamy fillings and spread it. Spread plenty of mozzarella cheese on the top. Distribute evenly, leaving about an inch of space around the edges to prevent the cheese from oozing out. Cover it with remaining dough and press it gently to secure the filling. Place the pan on tawa and cook on low flame to ensure even cooking without burning. Once golden on one side, carefully flip it onto another tawa and cook until crisp and golden brown. For the sugar syrup, in a pan, add half cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, half a lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Boil it for a few minutes until the sugar completely dissolves. Now the sugar syrup is ready. Pour the sugar syrup on the hot kunafa and garnish with chopped pistachio for the perfect look. And there you have it. Your homemade no oven kunafa is ready. Crispy, cheesy and absolutely delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know how it turned out for you. So see you in the next video. Bye.